Today, we will use English in real life.
We talk about simple moments in life, funny moments, normal moments, things that happen every day.
We can talk about going to the fridge at night, or buying coffee in a busy cafe in London, Paris, or New York. Small things, but very important.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen. Listen again. You will understand more every day.
This podcast helps you use English for your daily life.
So get comfortable, sit in your favorite chair, and let's start.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Adam, I have to say, you look different today.
Different? Good different or bad different?
You look serious. You have a very serious face.
That is because I am a new man, Sarah. I am changed.
Really? What happened?
Do you remember our last conversation about waking up early?
Yes, you said you hated it. You said you were a night owl.
I was a night owl, but last night I made a decision.
Oh no, what did you do?
I decided to join the 5 a.m. club.
You, Adam, you woke up at 5 a.m.?
I did. I set my alarm, I put my phone in the kitchen, like you said, and I woke up at 5 a.m. sharp.
Wow, I am impressed. So, how was it? Was it magical?
Sarah, it was a disaster.
A disaster? Why? Tell me everything.
Okay, I want to tell you the story of my experiment.
Experiment. That is a good word. It means a test. You were testing a new lifestyle.
Yes, a terrible experiment. So, it was 5 a.m. It was pitch black.
Pitch black. That means very, very dark.
Yes, no sun, no moon, just darkness. I walked to the kitchen to turn off my alarm.
Okay, you are up. That is step one.
I stood in the kitchen. It was silent. The city was sleeping. The birds were sleeping. Even the refrigerator was sleeping.
And how did you feel?
I felt lonely. I thought, why am I here? What do I do now?
Usually, people exercise or read or meditate.
Exactly. I wanted to be productive.
Productive. That means doing useful work, getting things done.
Yes, I see people on Instagram. They wake up at 5 a.m., they drink green juice, they write a book, they run a marathon.
That is Instagram, Adam. That is not real life.
I know that now, but this morning I wanted to be that person. So I decided to do yoga.
You, Adam, doing yoga at 5 a.m.?
Yes, I found a video on YouTube, Morning Yoga for Energy.
That sounds nice.
I put my mat on the floor, I stood up, I stretched my arms,
And?
and I lost my balance. I fell over. Crash! I hit the coffee table.
Oh no! Did you hurt yourself?
I hurt my toe, but mostly I hurt my pride. I was lying on the floor, holding my foot, in the dark.
That is not very productive.
No. So I decided, okay, no yoga. Yoga is dangerous. I will read a book.
Reading is safer.
I sat on my comfortable sofa, I turned on a small lamp, I opened a very smart book, a history book.
That sounds cozy.
It was too cozy, Sarah.
What happened?
I read one page in the year 1800.
And then?
Then I read the second page. The army marched.
And then?
Then I woke up at 8 a.m. with the book on my face.
You fell asleep.
I fell asleep instantly. I took a 3-hour nap on the sofa.
A nap, a short sleep, or in your case, a long sleep.
So, my 5 a.m. experiment was a failure. I woke up at 5, I fell asleep at 5:15.
Adam, that is hilarious. But don't be hard on yourself.
But I wanted to be productive. I wanted to start the day with a win.
But you did wake up. That is the first step.
But then I crashed, and do you know what happened after?
What?
Because I slept on the sofa, my neck hurt. I had a crick in my neck.
A crick, a stiff pain.
Yes, so now I'm tired, my toe hurts, my neck hurts, and I didn't read the book.
Adam, listen to me.
I am listening.
You tried to change everything in one day. That is too much.
Too much?
Yes, you went from waking up at 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. That's a 4-hour difference.
It is a big jump, jet lag without traveling.
Exactly. Your body was confused. It thought, why are we awake? It's nighttime.
So what should I do? Give up? Accept that I'm lazy?
You are not lazy. You're just biologically different. But if you want to wake up early, do it slowly.
Slowly?
Wake up 15 minutes earlier. Just 15 minutes.
So 8:45?
Yes, do that for a week. Then try 8:30.
That sounds less painful.
And don't do yoga in the dark if you're tired.
Good advice. No more dangerous sports in the morning.
But Adam, I have a question.
Yes?
Did you make coffee this morning?
Ah, the coffee. That's part 2 of the disaster.
There's a part 2?
Yes, after I woke up from my nap on the sofa, I was rushing again. I ran to the kitchen.
Okay.
I put the water in the machine, I put the coffee powder, I pressed the button.
Success?
I forgot to put the cup under the machine.
Adam, no!
Yes, coffee everywhere, all over the counter, all over the floor.
Again? You did this in the last episode too.
I know, my kitchen smells like Starbucks, but the floor is sticky.
So, let's summarize your morning.
1. Woke up at 5 a.m. 2. Fell while doing yoga. 3. Slept on the sofa for 3 hours. 4. Flooded the kitchen with coffee.
Wow, that is quite a morning.
And now I'm here, talking to you.
Well, Adam, I think this is actually a success.
A success? Are you crazy?
Yes, because you have a great story.
A story?
Yes, we are telling stories. You are practicing English. You are using the past tense. I woke up, I fell, I forgot.
That is true. My pain is good for English practice.
Exactly. Your suffering is educational.
I'm happy to help the students, even if my toe hurts.
To our friends, we want to ask you, have you ever tried an experiment?
Did you try to wake up early? Did you try a new diet? Did you try a new sport?
And did it fail?
It's okay to fail. Look at me. I'm a professional failure today.
But he's smiling.
I'm smiling because I accepted it. I am not a 5 a.m. person, and that's okay.
It is perfectly okay. You can be productive at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. or midnight.
Productivity is not about the clock. It's about the focus.
That is very wise, Adam.
I learned it from my smart book before I fell asleep.
You read one sentence and became wise.
Sarah, what is your advice for me tomorrow? Should I try 5 a.m. again?
No, please don't. I don't want you to break your other toe.
Okay, I will sleep until 7.
7 is good. Start there.
And I will prepare the coffee machine tonight with the cup.
That is a very smart strategy.
You know, Sarah, even though it was a disaster, I learned something about myself.
What did you learn?
I learned that silence is actually nice. For the 15 minutes I was awake, the silence was beautiful.
It is. That's why I love it.
Maybe one day I will enjoy it without falling down.
One day. Just keep trying.
Friends, learning English is also an experiment.
Yes, sometimes you try a new word and you make a mistake.
Sometimes you try to speak and you forget everything, like I forgot the cup.
It happens. It's messy.
But you clean it up, you laugh, and you try again tomorrow.
That is the snack English way.
I think I need a real nap now, Sarah. Not a sofa nap, a real bed nap.
You deserve it, Adam. Go rest.
But first, I have to clean the kitchen.
Good luck with the sticky floor.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening to Adam's funny story.
We hope you learned some new words. Experiment, productive, nap, disaster.
Use them today. Tell a friend, my morning was a disaster.
It is a great conversation starter. Tomorrow, we'll use English in a new, real situation. Watch the next episode.